Mark. I'm from England, and I've come to Nigeria for a week tour, and we were basically just arriving in Lagos, and we're traveling around Lagos, and we didn't know that this festival was on, so we just came in a fortuitous time, and it's wonderful to come and see this spectacular scene, because there's so many colourful people and different types of people here, and the drumming is very infectious. I love it. And we've seen some masquerades earlier on in the week, which were fabulous, and I particularly enjoyed that. And hopefully today I'll see a bit more of that too. And it's just a real melting pot of culture, so it's really interesting to come at this particular time to see that. So I'm very, very happy to be here.
Yes, that's great, that's great. What can you say about African culture generally?
Oh well, it's fascinating. It's so different to what I'm used to, and it's very interesting to hear about the sort of the different stories about how things originated, even how cities originated. They sort of have this sort of mythological story behind it, which I find really fascinating. Yeah.
Have you heard the story about Osun-Osogbo Festival?
So
the story about Osun. Do you know the story? Have you read about it?
A little bit. I know about the various gods. So Osun was the goddess of the river, I think, but I don't really know much about the significance of the river. So I'm still learning.
Okay. Yeah, thank you very much. We are still going to talk more about what is happening here.
Yeah.
You can just check online and search for Osun-Osogbo Festival. You are going to be more educated about what is happening here.
Right.
All right, thank you very much.
Okay,
My name is Emmanuel.
Okay.
Can you say that?
Emmanuel, yes.
Yes, I'm Emmanuel.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. You are taking pictures also.
Yes.
Are you using that for your documentary or?
No.
Thank you very much. Okay. Your name?
Matthew Dodd.
Okay. Your nationality?
I'm British. I'm from the UK.
Okay, from the UK. All right. Why are you in Osun State?
To visit this amazing festival. I heard so much about it. I understand it's Nigeria's largest festival, and I've experienced a lot of different festivals in Africa, and I really want to experience this one.
Okay.
And this is the energy and the sights and the sounds is incredible, and so I really want to come here and experience it.
Okay, that's great. Well, what can you say about African culture?
What can I say about African culture? It's very unique. I love the traditions and the customs and the beliefs that continue to be passed down through generation and generation. And just the energy of Africa and the culture with the music and the dancing, it's phenomenal.
All right. Yeah, can you encourage people to come to Osun-Osogbo Festival?
I will. I'll absolutely take back this experience and share it with my friends and family. I have a lot of people that are big travelers, and I'm going to really encourage them to come back to Osun and to Osun Grove to see the festival here.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Femi.
Yeah.
Can you say Femi?
Femi.
That's great. That's great. Thank you. All right. Your name?
Hi, my name's Enoch.
What's your nationality?
I was born in Hong Kong, but now live in the United States.
Okay, so why are you in Nigeria?
We're here as part of a group tour, just exploring part of the country, and we stumbled upon the festival, which is really lucky for us to experience it.
Okay. What can you say about African culture?
Well, I think it's very vibrant, it's very exciting. I love all the music and all the dancing. And people are just so passionate, so friendly.
Okay, that's great. Have you seen something you can take home to your people?
Things to take home?
Yeah.
In terms of things to buy or things to
Things to buy, your experience?
Sure.
What you are going to tell your friends?
Yeah. Well, I think things to take home, we got some textiles yesterday, which are beautiful and really hard to find at home, so something I definitely would take home. But also, I think taking home the memories and taking home the attitude of the people, which is so friendly.
My name is Iyanifa Ifafike Akanke Osun-Sola. I am a princess of Osun. I am a princess in the Ifa Orisha tradition, and I have come here. I'm a Nigerian American, and I've come here today to just celebrate Osun and the festival and to venerate our mother, Yeye Osun, and to
love African culture. And what I learned so far is that Nigeria is a very happy and very fun place to be in. It's not dangerous at all. And I love being in the festival because I love the dances, I love the music, and I love what people wear.
So what are you going to take back home?
What I'll tell back home is, if they love Africa, they absolutely need to come to Nigeria.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you. So, how many days are you planning to spend more in Nigeria?
I'm flying back tomorrow, but we're staying for a week. So we're going back to Lagos today.
Thank you for coming to Nigeria.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming to Osun State.
Thank you.
And thank you for coming to Osun-Osogbo.
Thank you.
We hope to see you again next year. Are you going to come next year?
Not sure.
So you don't want to invite your friends?
I will, but they will come by themselves.
Yeah, they will come by themselves.
Thank
All right.
you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm Femi. Can you say Femi? Can you say my name?
Femi?
Yeah, that's my name. So what's your own name?
Okay, hello. My name is Mar, and I come from Spain. And I feel so blessed to be here today because I am experiencing firsthand the most important festival of Nigeria. And it's beautiful, a lot of vibes, a lot of energy, and Nigerian people really are so friendly. Really, don't believe what anybody tells you. Come here and see by yourself.
What are you going to take home?
The Nigerian people are really friendly
Wow.
and nice and wonderful, and they all want to get to know us.
Wow, that's great. I'm touched. I feel emotional.
Really?
Yeah. So
Yeah,
we are great people. You love our dance.
Yeah.
You love our music.
Yeah.
Can you sing one of our music?
No, but I can do.
You can dance.
Ese.
All right, that is great. That is great. So what's your name?
Mar.
Mar. Okay, I'm Femi.
Femi.
You can pronounce that, Femi.
Femi.
Wow, that's great. That's great. How many days have you spent in Osogbo?
Actually, this is the third day. We came 2 days ago. We saw everything, like relaxed, not many people. And today we are coming for the festival.
Okay.
And we are so blessed, really, because I don't see any foreigners. It's just us.
Okay, yeah.
Oh my God, I didn't even know this was going to happen.
Well, you love this.
I love it. It's like a carnival, but more than carnival.
Wow, wow.
The vibes, the people, you see everybody and everyone is...
You love it.
Yeah.
That's good. The energy.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Come to Nigeria.
Thank you for coming to Osun State. Can you tell your friends to come when you get back to Spain?
Yeah, that's why I take photos to show everybody so that they are not scared.
Yeah, why? Sorry, we don't have guns.
Propaganda. So much propaganda out there. I'm not political at all, but so much propaganda can stop you from experiencing something amazing.
Wow.
So don't.
You ready? A beautiful day to you, viewers at home. I am Ombre Ofe Oguntola. I am a Kauri artist, I am an actress, I am a writer, I am a presenter, I am much more that you know. Today, I am live at Osun-Osogbo Festival in Osun, Ìpínlẹ̀ Ọmọlúàbí. I am here to experience the land of virtue. I am here to know more about Osun. Today, I am playing the role of Ajé. Ajé is one of the children of Osun. When you are talking about Osun, you are talking about Ajé, you are talking about purity, as you can see from what I am wearing. Today, I am representing Ajé at Osun-Osogbo Festival. You should not be at home. You should be here to experience the beauty of the land of virtue.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Oluwajumo Oshugbemi. I represent a deity called Olokun. And so this is Osun-Osogbo Festival 2024, and I'm glad to be here. So the festival centers on a deity called Osun. She's a female deity, a mother who cares for all. So the festival represents a worldwide, and it has its own uniqueness on its own. She's a deity who provides for those in needs of children. She's a deity who provides wealth, and that's we call Ajay in Yoruba land. And so she performs so many beautiful works for people who come from Osogbo, who comes from the diaspora. She is a deity who answers prayers of different ones. So, and I'm also one of those who has enjoyed the blessings of Osun, So I'm encouraging everyone far and near to come over and worship this beautiful deity. She's beautiful, she's caring, she's wonderful. And also, just like I said, I represent Osha Olokun. We call Olokun Obaomi, that is the king of waters. Olokun is also the husband to Osun, and she gives her own respect to Olokun. So this is Osun-Osogbo Festival 2024. Sit, enjoy it, and ask for your blessings, because that's Osun. She's ready to give you more blessings. She's ready to give you more wealth. She's ready to give you peace and wealth. Thank you.
Okay, so this is Osogbo in Osun State, and today is the Osun Festival. This is a festival that happens every first week or second week in August every year. We have a lot of people coming around from all over the world. It's a very colorful festival. It's taking place at the Osun River. The environment is so natural. It's full of nature. The first palace of the king is right there. So what is expected here is a lot of traditional things done on this day. The goddess Yemoja is worshipped, and she kind of comes out. I don't know, I didn't really see that part of it, but that's what we're told. And the river, people believe that it's spiritual, it has healing powers. They take the water and they use the water to pray for healing, for blessing. People pray with it, and lots of things are done with it. I'm from United States. I live in New York, and this is my first time here at this festival. It's so colorful. A lot of people dressed with beautiful hair, and beautiful clothes worn, men, women, it's so beautiful here. And it happens every year. I look forward to coming here every other year. Although it's expensive traveling down from United States now. But it's very
about African culture. How beautiful, rich is our culture?
Oh, it's very, very rich. It is very rich. If you look around, you find a lot of people from the Western countries. A lot of people from United States, from United Kingdom, from France, from all over. They love the culture. They love the culture. The culture is rich. You can see the traditional wears. You can see, the way people are dressed, and the food. All the beliefs, the rituals, the spiritualities, the traditions. These are all things that people love to see. And I came all the way from New York to see this too. And I'm really happy this is happening today. and I really look forward to coming again. Like I said, the culture is beautiful, the environment is the scene, it's so natural. The grains, the walls, you can see the walls are made from clay. You can see a lot of carvings that represent some gods and goddesses. It's a beautiful place. It's a beautiful festival. People come from, like I said, they come from all over the world to see this.
Thank you very much. My name?
So my name is Dr. Biodun Elemikon, and it's so nice to be here. And I look forward to be here again next year and next year and the next and the next. Thank you.
Lára àwọn ilé iṣẹ́ ìgbóhùnsáfẹ́